Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chad coming to you live from Omaha, Nebraska. Get ready for Spring Break Nationals, Daytona, Florida, March 23rd, 24th, and 25th. Sponsored by Orion Car Audio. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a look around this 1984 Chevy S10 that will be at Spring Break Nationals. For those of you that were at Spring Break Nationals last year, this truck was there last year. A lot of work's been done on it since then, so hopefully it does a little bit better this year. I'm going to go ahead and take you around the truck here and get a good look at everything. First we'll just go ahead and do a walk around. Like I said, Spring Break Nationals brought to you by Orion Car Audio. I'll be competing in DB Drag, Super Street, No Wall. I'll also be running Mecca Modified Street 4, and then going to throw you guys a little curveball. Also going to be competing in ISPLL, the music class. So I've done music a couple times now and then, but really going to drop the hammer this time and see what the S10 can do in music. So starting up front here, going to take a look under the hood. Ohio generator alternator. I've had this alternator for quite a while now. It's been in a few vehicles actually. It's never given me any problems, so I'm just sticking with what works. From there we got Lanzar 1/0 cable front to back. We got 2 runs fused up front over there going to the back. I would say I need to clean up the engine bay a little bit, but still got a few days work left to go. Moving around to the inside of the truck. Take a look inside. It's pretty clean for 1984. It's actually a challenge to keep the dash together as well. Got a little bit of Loctite in there with the screws in the dash, but panels still seem to pop loose. But overall, for 1984, interior's in really good shape. Really nice seats. They're not all torn up and all that stuff. Looking for what we got for sound. I've been testing. This is the one part I'm still working on getting ready for Daytona. We got 8 Orion HCCA 12s powered by, in the back, we'll go out back there in a little bit, but powered by 4 amplifiers. The box is made out of 1/2-inch steel plate, so the box alone is about 700 pounds before you even take into account the woofers. So we still got a little bit of port tuning to go, but we'll be ready come Daytona. Also for the truck last year at Daytona, I just had the truck for a couple months. It had some 18s on it that I didn't like, so I went ahead and did some Craigslist searching and found some Eagle Alloy 15-inch rims. Definitely goes with the truck a lot better. So we're going to take a look inside the back here. Give me a second to get the tailgate open. So in the back here, like I said, we got 4 HCCA 17K SPLX amplifiers powering all 8 woofers. Underneath here, we got 3 excess power D3100 batteries, and those are going up into my cat bank. You may be able to see a little bit of the cat bank up in there, but altogether, Maxwell capacitors. We got 40 banks of capacitors powering up these 4 amplifiers. I didn't bring the podium with, but there we got the head unit there. It's a standard Pioneer. Been using Pioneer for years. So like I said, getting ready for Daytona. My faded Orion logo there will be gone and a new one on as well, so look for that. But for all you guys in the Daytona area, Florida area, come out and see us at Daytona International Raceway. Again, that's going to be March 23rd, 24th, and 25th. We're getting our vehicles ready to go from the Omaha area, loaded up I believe Friday morning for the long trip to Daytona. So come out and see us. Especially look for me in Mecca. I believe the loudest modified street score that's ever been posted is 61.4. Last show I did a 61.37, so we're going to look to turn it up a little bit there. Like I said earlier, I'll be competing ISPLL music class in the no wall classes. I believe it's no wall 4 that I fit into, and from what I've told, it's around 157 or 158 music. That's been one of the louder scores. I'm not 100% sure what the loudest score is, but I'll tell you guys right now, I'm looking to do no less than a 60. So just going to throw that out there and see how she holds up. So I'll see you guys later. Hope to see some of you guys at the show.